Okay, hey YouTube. So I was recommended by my girlfriend to, I have the hiccups, if you don't hear that. Okay, I've had the hiccups for 8 hours since lunchtime, and, this is a true story actually. She recommended me to drink something upside down. I can't do a full headstand and actually drink something. I have to be supported. So I do that on my couch, and I'm gonna drink something upside down. And since I don't do water or anything like that, Capri Sun. Yeah, I'm not paid by Capri Sun, but I wish I was because these suckers are good. Alright, got the little straw in. Okay. Bob Saget. Scare the balls out of me. What do you want? No? Yeah, I want you to open.
It's just differently dated. A combination of time frames, traditional styles with brand new names. Yeah. Whether it's Duke, Jazzanova, or Bob James, man, you feel the groove, the love is the same. The drums give
Bob Saget. Ted, this is what you get for helping me out in the video today. You're getting 2 treats free of charge, while your brother only gets 1. As he was under there guarding something, which he wasn't supposed to do, and he wasn't in the video, so that's a double loss. He is a bad boy, but I still gave him a treat for coming out under the bed. Okay, look at the camera. Nope. Ted, look at the camera. Look at the camera. It's good. It's good, camera. Trying to teach him how to like the camera. Here's another one for later. You want another one? No, don't drop. My face is dripping in it. Oh, I just got it in my nose. Oh, I should have kept drinking. First time I did it, he went down. It didn't work. I tilted it the wrong way. Oh, God. Hiccups suck. Ugh. I freaking love Capri Sun, though. I wish I'd be paid by them, dude. I drink these every day. Dude, scare me. Scare me, dude. Come on, scare me. Scare me. Go, bah! Do it. Come on. No. Come on, man, scare me. Why won't you scare me? Teddy! Scare me. Don't lick your lips. You got to scare. Come on, man. Seriously? Scare me. Come on, dude, scare me. No. Scare me, man. No. I just got turned down by my own dog. Fine, I don't need you. Trying to scare me. I'm not even scared of Yorkies. He weighs like, what, 20 pounds? Yeah. Oh my god, I have to pee. Okay, let's get some ice. Dude, this freezer stinks. So, we got to get the top in here. Okay. Now, what you do is, you get your knife. Get this, right? God, I have to pee so bad. Do you have the hiccups? Dude, you just hiccuped. What the junk?
Oh, crap.
Bad dog. Bad, bad, bad. You do not get hiccups. That's not good for you.